Hi YouTube, and welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me today. Let's get right to it. The word of the Lord today comes from Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct your path. I want to thank you for joining me today. Today I came to bring you some earrings that I made on my Glowforge. If you would like a Glowforge of your own, you can use the link in my description box where you can save up to $125 on a basic, $250 on a plus, and $500 on a pro. I'd appreciate it if you use my code. If you purchased a Glowforge, you'll get a savings, and I'll also get a referral fee. So today I wanted to show you some earrings that I made. I made these earrings by using a wood round that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I painted that wood round with some Mod Podge, and then I put fabric on it, and I did both sides. And then I let that dry. I mask it with that masking tape, and then I cut it out on the Glowforge. These earrings came out much bigger than I thought they would. So I'm going to have to do it again. It was a file that I got from designbundles.net. So I'm going to try it again with some other fabric, and I'm going to make the designs a little bit smaller. And I use Silhouette to do all of my designing in. And these also I made. They're pretty big, but they look really nice. And like I said, it is they're masked on both sides. So, and then somebody wanted just some plain wood ones. This is what the wood looks like if I don't paint it, or if I don't put Mod Podge on it, or fabric or anything. It just looks like that. And then here's another pair that came from Design Bundles. And then this was a file that I got off of Etsy, and I painted the wood black. And I painted it on both sides. And this is for an order. Someone ordered a bank, and so these earrings are for them. Also, here's another pair of the leopard ones, and I cut all of these out on the round, all at the same time. And then this is a file that I got from a paint and sip, and I engraved it or scored it, and then I put an offset in Silhouette Studio, and then I cut around it. But this one needs some work. I want to take out some of the design so I can possibly maybe paint some of these characteristics myself. But for now, I really like how it came out, but it does need work. And also, last but not least, here is one more set. These ones are smaller than these ones, but another pair. So yeah. And the cards and the findings for the earring hooks and all of that, and even the little stud things to keep them on the card in the back, all of those things came from Amazon. So that's my projects for today. I'll be coming back with more earrings and more little things that I make on the Glowforge. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, please hit the like, give me a like, and hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification, so anytime I upload a video, you will be able to come along with me and enjoy my videos. So subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. If you hit the thumbs up, that lets YouTube know that you enjoy my content. And so they'll push my content out to other people who may enjoy it as well. So you can really help me out by hitting the like button, subscribing to my channel, and leaving me a comment. Thank you for watching me today. God bless you. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye.